This is a renovated property at 2/7 Desir Place, Clendon Park, which is in Mainirewa. That's a garage, that's a house, and then more parking, carport, some parking here and there. So it's a 3-bedroom with a study, renovated property. So as soon as you enter, can be a study, lounge, dining combined, kitchen, dishwasher, hob, oven, range hood, laundry, one bedroom over there with some storage. Comes with alarm, vanity, shower, renovated. So toilet is separate, one bedroom over there with some storage, and then the 3rd bedroom comes with a blind, alarm. So if you're looking for a 3-bedroom with a study, renovated property in Mainirewa, give me a call on 021 082 13015. Thank you for watching.